Hi friends, welcome to our channel Life is to Live. Please subscribe to our channel Life is to Live and activate by pressing the bell button so that you can get the alerts immediately after we upload our new videos. And many people are inquiring about the grammar books which we showed earlier. These are the grammar books which has a good number of examples, practice sentences, definitions, everything which help you to learn English easily by watching our videos and practicing the sentences with the help of these books. If anyone wants these books, please contact us in the shown WhatsApp number so that you can get the books. So this is on complete grammar package and this is on communication skills package. These two books are very much useful for each and everybody, starting from 6th class students to the 60 years old people also. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and activate the bell button by pressing on that. Coming to the today's topic, in the English Grammar Series 4, today's topic is kinds of pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. See, in the previous video, we discussed in detail what is a noun and what are the different kinds of nouns. I suppose you have understood them clearly. And today's topic is on kinds of pronoun. Just like as nouns are different kinds, we have classified the pronoun also into many kinds. Do you know how many kinds of pronouns are there? Generally people may concentrate on personal and impersonal pronouns like that. But actually we have 9 kinds of pronouns. Pronouns are 9 in number totally. But nobody bothers about all these 9 kinds of nouns while learning grammar. But to have a good command over English grammar, it is necessary to learn about all these 9 kinds of nouns. Let us see what are they. The first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. See, the pronouns like I, we, you, she, he, they. All these pronouns refer to persons. See, for example, I, we, you, she, he, and they. Isn't it? All these refer to the persons, human beings. So that is why personal, the pronouns which refers to the persons are called personal pronouns. We have 3 possible persons according to English grammar. We will discuss these personal pronoun in detail in some other video. Now we just concentrate on what are the 9 kinds of pronouns here. Okay, so I and we refers to the first person, you refers to the second person, and these are the third person. The pronouns which refer to these 3 possible persons according to English grammar are called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the pronouns used for persons, human beings. Is it clear? And the second one is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive. The word itself indicates reflection, showing something opposite. See, for example, if you stand in front of a mirror, you can get a reflection of your picture, isn't it? That is what reflection. See, reflexive pronoun. The pronoun which reflects is called reflexive pronoun. Here we use self and selves. See, for example, if the pronoun is singular, self is added. If the pronoun is plural, selves is added. Then it becomes the reflexive pronoun. See, for example, he completed the work himself. isn't it? Like this. See here, he is the subject here, and here him is the pronoun, and we added self. See, for example, the subject is reflexing here. That is what reflexive. See, added with the self. If it is singular, self is added. If, for example, if it is plural, we, ourselves. See, for example, we completed the work, ourselves. They completed the work, themselves. They enjoyed the party, themselves. Like that, if self or selves is added to the pronoun and which reflects the subject at the end, this is called reflexive pronoun. Is it clear? And third one is emphatic. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic, which gives emphatic, that indicates give emphasis. Here also we are using the pronoun in the same manner by adding self or selves to the pronoun, personal pronoun. By adding this we can make reflexive. If it is used immediately after the subject, that gives emphasis. That is why emphatic pronoun. For example, he, himself completed the whole work. Isn't it? Like this. See here it is reflecting there. So that is why it is reflexive pronoun. But here it is emphasizing he himself completed the whole work. But here he completed the work himself. He completed the work himself. Reflection. But here he himself completed. He himself completed. They themselves completed. They themselves understood. Like, see that like that. Immediately after the subject, if we use this reflexive, this is called emphatic pronoun. Is it clear? See, first one refers to personal, people. And second and third refers to using the self to the singular pronoun and the selves for the plural pronoun. If it is reflecting like this, it is called reflexive pronoun. If it is emphasizing like this, emphatic pronoun. Is it clear? And fourth one is called demonstrative. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstration. Demonstration in the sense showing something and explaining. Demonstrative. See, for example, the pronoun which is used to point out something and explain about it, they are called demonstrative pronouns. For example, this picture is better than that one, isn't it? Here, what I said, the pronoun which is used to point out something and to describe something about that are called demonstrative. See here, this picture is better than that one, isn't it? See here, this and that, these are pointing out something. This picture is better than that picture. If this and that are pronouns, this mean demonstrating something. Like that, the pronoun which is used to demonstrate something, to point out something, are called demonstrative pronouns. And fifth one is called distributive. Distributive pronoun. Distributive. I think you know distribution, giving each one something, isn't it? Here, distributive pronoun is one which is used to distribute the things among people. See, for example, each, every, either, neither, something like that, isn't it? Each one will be given a book. Everyone can get a share. See, for example, each one will get a book. Listen, see, each, everyone, isn't it? Like that, either, neither. See, for example, such kind of pronouns which are used to distribute the things are called distributive pronouns. Next, sixth one is interrogative. Interrogative pronoun. The pronoun which interrogative to question. The pronoun which is used to interrogate, to ask any questions are called interrogative pronouns. For example, whom do you want to meet? Isn't it? Whom do you want to meet? See here, we are asking, which is the book you asked? Where is the place you told? Like that, which, whom, where, something like that. We are using these pronouns to ask about something, inquire about something, interrogate about something. So that is why it is called interrogative pronoun. And seventh one is indefinite. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite, it is not definite. See, for example, any one can answer the question. See here, anyone. See, it is not definite. See, for example, it is not asking someone has to answer. Anyone in the class can answer. Anybody can help. Nobody informed me. You are not saying somebody has not informed. Nobody, no one, anyone, someone, like that. It is not definitely saying something. It is indefinite. Anyone can answer. Someone told me that. You are not saying who that someone is. It is indefinite. So that is why it is called indefinite pronoun. And eighth one is called reciprocal. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal in the sense mutual. Mutual. See, for example, we must help each other. They are helping one another. Like this. These each other, one another are called reciprocal. Reciprocal in the sense which have mutual relation. See, for example, if there are only two, see, for example, we must help each other between two. When there are two, to say reciprocal, we have to use each other. The sisters are helping each other, one to one. And if there are more than two, we have to use one another. There are many people, they are helping one another. Like that, these two pronouns used to refer the reciprocal relationship. And the last one is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Isn't it? The pronoun which relates with the subject of a sentence is called relative pronoun. See, for example, this is the book that you asked me. See here, this is the book that, you see, this is the book that you asked. This is called relative pronoun. This relates to the book which, isn't it? See, for example, this is what you asked. This is what. This is what. Like this. See, which relates the subject and the pronoun. That is why what you asked and what I am giving. And what, I mean, this is the book that you asked. You asked and I am giving. The relationship between these two things may be expressed by this pronoun. So that is why it is called relative. It relates the subject and the other object. See, these are the 9 kinds of pronouns which we have. Starts with the personal pronoun, isn't it? Personal refers to the persons, and reflexive which reflects, and emphatic which emphasizes, and demonstrative which demonstrates, distributive which distributes, and interrogative which is to question, indefinite which is not definite or sure, and reciprocal which is expressing mutual relationship, and relative which relates the subject and the object. These are the 9 kinds of pronouns. You just go through these things in the book so that you can understand better. Thank you.